Yeah, so it's MASDULLAMAS. I'm back. Yeah, and I'm spending more money. We got the Sony A7III. This is fine camera craftsmanship. This is as good as a camera as you're gonna get. You know, if you're not frickin', I don't know, Michael Bay or like, you know, Niga Higa or, you know, one of the greats. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get right into this. So the Sony Alpha A7 III came with a couple of things, as you can see here. Now this is because I purchased mine from B&H, and this is gonna be the B&H sort of combo, you know, supersized McDouble deal that they give you, so that way you spend your money at their store. Probably the best way to explain it. Yeah, we're gonna worry about this later, because right now we're gonna get right into the camera, because that's what you came for. Boop. So the Sony Alpha A7 III is gonna cost you around $1,800 to $2,000. It is on the higher end price range because it is supposedly a really good camera. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Pop, pop. You got some nice warning labels, you know, as you should. With this piece of equipment, it is deadly. You know, you have a deadly weapon in your hands. So right off the bean, you get greeted with some wonderful manuals. Looks like a warranty card. Nice, nice. That's always essential. And yeah, I'll get to that on my own time. You guys worry about what's in this box. Oh, wow. Look at all this goodness. Look at all of these compartments filled with fine machinery. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into. Compartment number 1, we'll start with this. We got ourselves an A7 band. Wow. Now you pull up with the A7 band, it's a problem. It's a real problem at the photo shoot, man, because come on. You got yourselves the A7 band, we'll put that here. What else do we got in here? Oh, a little flappy guy going on here, all right. And we're greeted with a battery. Now this is always essential, this is always important. We need batteries, we love batteries. What else do we have in here? We have, all right, you get yourselves a little adapter. Nice Sony adapter. I hope you guys can see that. And you get a wire to, it looks like, most likely charge your Sony A7 III. I don't see an external charger for the battery, so you're most likely going to have to buy one on your own. Now I could be mistaken. Let's see what's going on here. All right, and over here we're gonna have the lens. So I purchased mine with the kit lens. Now you don't necessarily have to purchase it. You could purchase the body only for about $1,600. That's all right. That's all good and stuff. But you know me, I had to go with the fine machinery, the fine technology. And I had to see what was happening. So over here, I have a kit lens. Now this is definitely a bulky lens. Definitely gonna go crazy, as they say, right? All right, let's put that down. Let's see what this is. It looks like a rain guard. We got ourselves a rain guard. Nice, always essential. And make sure there's, yep, nothing in there. And we're coming to what seems like the camera. Drum roll, please. All right, camera. The Sony A7 III, $2,000 of fine camera craftsmanship, machinery, awesomeness, amazingness. Let me close this. All right, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Sony A7 III. Now we're gonna open this up and see what's happening. Wow, wow, wow. As you can see here, we have the Sony A7 III. Now, at the top, we have all of your buttons, all of your essentials, on and off. The back here has a bunch of goodness too. I honestly don't know what anything does yet. So when I do know, trust me, it's gonna be awesome. We have this side here. What's going on here? Looks like just ports. Ports on ports on ports. You get all your ports. Over here, you're gonna go ahead and get 2 SD card slots. Nice. Very nice. And down here is a battery. Battery is always important. We love batteries, as I said. And yeah, the front here comes with a cap. That's what it's gonna look like. Stop capping. So that's the camera, and it's looking good, it's looking great. But I'm gonna show you the lens too, because I know you're gonna wanna see that. And here we have the kit lens. Now this is gonna be a 28 to 70 millimeter lens. And again, it's a bulky lens. It's pretty big, to my surprise, but it's still probably gonna shoot amazing and just be amazing in general. So yeah, there you have it, my friends. All the components of the Sony A7 III. It comes with, as you can see, battery, charger, you know, the adapter, everything, basically everything you need to get started. Right before I get into setting this thing up and seeing what it's looking like, I'm gonna finish this unboxing, finish the B&H, what B&H provides you with. So it looks like over here, we're gonna have a car compact charger. You know, essential when you're on the road. You never know when you got a wedding to do or whenever you're gonna need one of these. So, you know, that's very important. Good cops, good cops. Over here, we have a filter. Now, honestly, let me be honest with you guys. I haven't really experienced too much with filters, so it'd be a lie for me to tell you guys anything. If you guys know what this does, this comes with the B&H McDouble deal, whatever they got, the whole Sony Alpha deal. So if you like that stuff, you know, go ahead and go to B&H and get yourself the whole combo deal. Next, we got this bag. Yeah, it's kind of ugly in my opinion, but if you like it, you like it. Hey, don't let me ruin your waves. Finally, lastly, we have the B&H, I guess, bag that it comes with. Now, I was told this was about a $200 bag. Now, you know, they could have just been selling me something, but I mean, so far, great quality. We got leather straps here, so it looks like it's got enough space to fit everything and anything I need. A padded cushion at the bottom, fit the camera, fit all my essentials. Very nice. The bag is acquired. The bag has been acquired. We love it, we love it. And that about wraps it up for this unboxing for this fine young lady I like to call the Sony A7 III. Now, it doesn't get any better than this, in my opinion, when it comes to video shooting, video editing, anything video related. Now, obviously, camera photography wise, there are so many cameras that are better than this one. When it comes to mirrorless though, this is top tier. This is as good as it's gonna get for me, at least in this current moment. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful and that you came here and you learned exactly what you needed to. And if I didn't, go ahead and leave a suggestion in the comment box. But this is it, yeah. So, I did want to go ahead and throw some clips after I set this thing up towards the end of this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and have to save that for another video. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that, because I can already tell this camera is gonna be crazy. My name is MASDULLAMAS. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to have a good night, my friends. Peace out.